Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Karen and I do fashion, beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos. I want to start off by just thanking you guys for all the love and the support that you have been showing me. This YouTube journey has not been an easy one. It is definitely, it has been a long process for me, but nevertheless, I'm happy with where I am thus far, how far I've reached, and I only could have done this with your support. So thank you guys so much. All right, now let's get into the video. Now, first off, today I will be reviewing the new Colourpop So Elemental palette. And of course, you guys know I love to always start off with a clean slate. So I always start off with moisturizing my face with an oil-free moisturizer. And then I go in with my brows. Before we continue, I do want to mention that I do have Trich. Trich is short for trichotillomania. Nevertheless, I am a makeup lover and I love doing my makeup. So this is how I get it done. Moving on, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up my brows, and I'm going in with this flat brush, this concealer brush. This brush set, along with every other product used in this video, will be linked in the description bar down below, with the exception of the So Elemental palette that you can get directly on the colourpop.com website. To line the top of my brows, I like to go in with a darker concealer, one that is close to my skin tone or my foundation. So today I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer and I'll be lining the top of my brows with this. I'm going to be priming my eyes with my Milani eye primer, and to blend this out I like to go in with my fingers directly. And on top of the primer, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Hey y'all, how many of y'all remember this pencil from back in the day? This pencil was the in thing. Everyone was doing tutorials on this pencil, and I just thought I'd bring it back. I do not own a light primer at the moment, and I did have this eye pencil, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying out this eyeshadow palette with this. Because I am dark skinned, if I apply a concealer, what I notice is that the concealer would tend to change the color of the eyeshadows, especially for blues. So blues would mostly show up as probably like a greenish color. So that is why I'm going in with the white on the white base, the white eye pencil. And next up, the star of the show, the So Elemental palette by Colourpop. And y'all, this packaging is so pretty. Now, this is not even the palette. This is the box, all right? This is a packaging. And I just love how when you move it, the different textures come out. And here's the palette. Oh my goodness, as beautiful, even more beautiful than the box. And yeah, so let's get into it. These are the colors. Now, here are the swatches on my hand, just so you have an idea of what all of the shades look like, especially on dark skin. So I do want to mention that I had to do several passes with my finger just to get the colors to be this opaque. So from left to right, we have Sia, Out of the Blue, Calm Down, In the Zen, which is this shimmery white, Malibu Waves, which I'm most excited about, this glitter color, the only glitter. Then we have All Vibes, 2000s, which is not showing up much on my arm, but it looks very pretty on the eye, Stay Low Key, and Angel Lights. I'm gonna go in with this blending brush and I'm gonna dip into the shade Sia. Sia is this dark navy blue black color, and I'm going to be, yeah, I'm going to go in with that color, and I'm going to be applying this directly to my crease, and I'm going to be blending this in. I do want to note that even though the color payoff did come out great on the jumbo eye pencil, next time I will apply a little bit of translucent powder just to allow the shadows to glide a little bit better. Also, I wanted to mention that this was my second time using this palette to create a look, and without using the jumbo pencil, this particular color, Sia, as you will also see with my arm swatch, to me it appeared a little patchy. Not too bad, but still okay. I do want to mention that this eyeshadow palette was not sent to me and that I bought it with my own coins, all right? So this review that I'm doing today is of my honest, unbiased opinion. Next, I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to be going in with Calm Down. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Now, Calm Down is this light medium blue shade, and I'm going to be applying this just above Sia. I'm going to be tapping this color in to make sure that I get as much color payoff as possible. Going back in with Sia, I'm just making sure that these colors are well blended together. So I'm going to be going back and forth with Sia and Calm Down just to ensure that, yeah, I get the desired makeup look that I was going for. Going back in with NYX Jumbo Pencil, I'm going to be cutting my crease with this white. Now, I'm not going for a sharp cut crease look. I wanted a faded, muted type cut crease. So that's why I didn't aim for a concealer. And also, I wanted something white. I wanted a white base. So yes, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut my crease with this, and then I'm going to blend the colors together. Going back into the So Elemental palette, I'm going to use this shimmery blue shade called 2000s. First, I tried applying it with an eyeshadow brush. However, the payoff wasn't that great, so I went in directly with my finger, and the payoff was fantastic. I love the shimmer that this gave to my eye. Unfortunately, my camera was not picking up the shimmer as much as it actually showed, but this is a beautiful blue. It's not a bright in your face type blue, but it just gives sparkles, and whew, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. I just wish that you could have seen the beauty of it through this video, but yeah. Going in with In the Zen, I'm going to be applying this in my in the inner corner of my eye, mid to inner corner of my eye. And this color was, whew, yeah, I'm just, oh, the shimmers. I just wish that you could have seen. I'm gonna work on my lighting, y'all. I'm gonna work on the lighting. But this gave a lot of shimmer. I really love this shade. I really like this shade. Kudos to Colourpop on the shimmer and glitter shades. They really did a great job on these textures. However, the mattes were okay. The mattes were okay. Going in now with Angel Light. Angel Light is this white color with purple glitter. And I'm going to be applying this to my brow bone for a highlight. This is a very unique color, and it's quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. Well done with the shimmer shades. I could have just stopped right there, but of course, I just wanted to try this Malibu Waves shade. So I did. So I applied this color in the center of my lid to draw a little more attention to that area. And boy, I did not regret adding this shade. Oh my goodness. When I was done with this look, of course I went out. I went out and I got so many compliments on my makeup. Yeah, I was really digging this look. First, I lined my eyes with my e.l.f. eye pencil, and then I went in with a liquid liner. My liquid liner is starting to fail me, so I'm gonna get a new one. If y'all know any good brands, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. This one is starting to lose its opacity, so I definitely need a new one. Moving on to my face now, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm gonna come back to the bottom of my eyes afterwards, but for now I'm moving on to the face. Moving on with this flat brush, I'm going to be using one pump of my Milani concealer. Everything used in this video will be linked in the description bar down below. And of course, when applying foundation, don't forget the neck area, because we don't want our neck and our face to be two completely different colors. I'm going to be using a sponge, a damp sponge, a slightly damp sponge to blend out that concealer and also remove the pencil, jumbo pencil that is under my eye. At this point, I changed my mind about the look that I wanted to go with, that I initially wanted to create. So yeah, so we're just improvising as we're going along, but in the end, it's gonna look great. Moving on with some bronzer. This stuff is so pigmented, so I'm trying not to apply too much. And the shade is a bit dark for me, but yeah, I'm still making it work. To contour my nose, I'm going to go in with this smaller angled brush, only to get a precise contour for my nose, to the precise blend for my nose. And then I'm going to go back in with the sponge to pull everything together. Next, I'm going to bake my face with my Sasha Buttercup powder. This product I absolutely love, and will also be linking it in the description bar down below. If you've reached thus far into my video and if you are enjoying my content, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, share this video so that we can grow this channel together. Thank you in advance. Going back in with that eyeshadow palette, I'm going to first use the shade Sia to line my waterline, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Calm Down just to smudge it out a bit, blend it out so that the bottom of my eye matches the top. And that was it for this review slash tutorial of the new Colourpop So Elemental palette. If you have any additional questions regarding this palette, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section down below. Also, if you like this video and this look, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Now here in the end, I took different pictures, different lighting, different angles, just so that you can really see the glitz and how this eye look came out. So I hope you enjoy. Be safe, take care. Until next time, bye bye.